Good. And head back. Excellent. How's that?
Yeah, good.
Good. Yeah, that one there is not too good at the top. Do you feel that?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. It's quite tender. I'm just going to open up those joints, pull your head, just breathe through it. Tilt your head over here. And drop. Excellent. There we go. Nice. Yeah, let's let go beautifully. Excellent. Thanks, Anne.
Thank you so much.
No worries.